Hi guys, welcome back to Budget with me. Let's follow the... Is this it? I think so. Yeah, so let's go to April 8th. So far what I want to do right now is I want to start from the beginning. So we know that I said that I had that is the beginning. What have I done so far? 2 YouTube videos so far. So we know we have 2 done. So I've only 6 to go. I have no blog post done. I've got out and walked. And I have 5 no spend days so far, as I will show you. Oh yeah, actually 6. 6 today as well. So that's a no spend day. I still haven't shopped around for electricity. Very bad. I'll do that tomorrow. And my car maintenance, I still haven't sorted that out as well. But look, that'll all be done. And I have to set up licenses and everything, insurance and a membership for my coaching. So I need to sort all that out. It's a lot of work, people. Is this nice and straight? Let's make sure you can see everything. It's a lot of work. Okay. Everything has gone out as normal. The Mickey money was in on Friday. So we're all good, and the broadband went out. What I will do is I'm gonna actually go straight ahead to my spending tracker and just write broadband. Because it actually did go out and it's in the bills account. Even though I didn't spend and I don't class it as a spend day, I'm just trying to keep an eye on all the bits and pieces that I have to be doing. Okay, 5th to the 4th, that went out. So that's all good. So now we go across to freelance work. Guys, I want to say thank you so much. Freelance is me writing for people. There's loads of stuff that I kind of do that you wouldn't even think in the background, and I'm trying to get that up and get that as a viable stream of income. What I want you to see when you're watching this is not just me earning extra. I want you to see that the different ways of side hustling. So if you've started your own budget page or anything like that, just know that it can grow up that way. So for me to get Carphone Warehouse last week was a big thing. And I have to say thank you so much. Every comment, every share means that they will look at somebody like me in the debt-free community and maybe throw a few quid my way and give me a few ads, which is really good. And that's a side hustle in itself, guys. And as well as that, as you know, I'm a black girl and we don't see a lot of us doing ads and stuff. So it's a big deal for me. And it's a big deal to have your support. I was very emotional, really emotional. Because I was like, I'll show you now. Look, I come as one, but I stand as 1,000. Here we go. But anyway, that's that done. I'm still manifesting, and there's something that's going on. I've been applying for job. Well, no, I actually haven't applied for one job in a week. I tell you why. I can't choose between going part-time or full-time. And then I kind of realized that I'm just holding back. You know, I'm holding back from even setting up as a coach, everything. So I think part-time will probably be the way I will go, because I have the kids, and as soon as something goes wrong, which it has in the last while with COVID, it's been me, you know, so it's a lot. The food has been going really well, the burgers and chips. I am trying to make videos, and I have a video made already, but I just haven't gotten around to showing you guys. Okay, so we're this week. Let me just fold this over for now with my left-handed self. So for this week now, we have our food, and I'm gonna give myself €60, as I always do. Mortgage, $265. Tax and insurance, 15. Electricity, oh God, maybe I should open it up, because I just send it over. Yeah, I'll open that up. Ugh. Electricity, $19.50. I'm hoping to get that down to $18.50. I know it sounds weird, but I really just show for somebody who gets paid the same every single week, this really will show you how you can really work that money until my money goes up a little bit. Petrol, I'm fine. And property management, I don't need anything there. Just make sure you can see this. So we have 500, and that's what I started off with. I've paid myself 500. So anything I get from the magazine, anything like that goes into one account. I don't touch it. And basically I've been building that up, and I pay the child maintenance, anything like that. I've just been putting it into that account, and then that account pays me. And people owe me money from 6 months ago. So it shows you like a lot. I'm still chasing down, but look, I'm just as fault as well. So it's 359.50 minus 500. I was looking over the video last week, and I think I said I have 322 from 222 from 300 minus 8. I don't know what I was saying, but I was like, they'll get it anyway. So that's 140.50 left over. So starting income there is 140.50. Once you kind of have these categories made up and you know where all your families are, guys, it's easy. Every week it's really easy, but it's for you to sit down and be accountable. The candle is root ginger today from, you know, like Considered in Duns. I like that one as well. That's kind of their natural kind of line, but I love it. It's so nice. But it's on its last leg as well. Okay, so children's clothes, €5. €5. Get that out of the way. Make sure you can see this clearly. €5. Life insurance, 480. Nothing changes there. House miss, 5. And then there's one for my cash envelopes, and then there's one that I just pay into my Revolut. So then that's 350. Phone, €3. So good. Birthdays, €10. Christmas, $12.50. I have to do like this because I'm left-handed. I take over. Car maintenance, €10. Okay, tomorrow is the day. I just hate going over. I know it's bad, and I know like girl power and all, but I just hate going over. Like when it's like a bunch of men, and like, oh, my car is doing this, because I always feel like, oh, they're going to take advantage of me because I don't know what I'm talking about, obviously. Okay, so that's 5, 480, 5, 350, 3, 10. What did I say? I'll go again. I think that's what it is, 64.80, yes. I'm so dumb. I'm literally like, it's the same thing you did last week, Sanders. Minus 140.50. And that's 75.70 going over to self-care. And see, I don't love myself that much, guys. So my self-care, I usually give myself like €10 per week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself €6. And then I'm going to give my skincare fund, which is brand new, €4. And then the children's fund, they still get their €5. Audible is still €3. Netflix, $3.30. And the magazine is $1.25. So that all just goes into the bills account. I know it looks very like $1.25, but it adds up. I kind of send like €60 across, and that's all in it, you know. So that's 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. So that's $22.50 altogether. Minus 75.70 equals 53.15. What? That doesn't make sense. Let me go again. 6, 4, 5. That's 15 cents. She's 18. To think I used to work in the bookies, you know. Okay, it's 22.55. That makes sense. Minus 75.70. So it's 53.15 then. I should actually have this over here. Look at this. But it doesn't matter. I'm not going to go and do this again. Someone was asking me, if you get paid monthly, guys, basically every time you get paid, you do a budget. So if you get paid your monthly pay and then you come back and then you get paid your children allowance, make sure you have a little budget for you come back and do your 4 families again for your children allowance. Once money is coming in, you have it budgeted for. That's the mindset we're trying to get into. Now I have 53.15 going towards my Joneses. Straight away, as you know, I go straight into charity. Healthcare is going to get 5. And then I kind of know, so I have 53.15 minus 15 equals 38.15 I have going onto my deposit. Add that all up, 38.15 plus 5 plus 10, 53.15. And that's a zero-based budget. You start off. So that's what I know now, that I have to get that into that account. So far this month, we're after paying 38.15 plus 8.15. And that's 46.50. So 46.30. So that means we have 253.70 left to go to meet my target for the month. So it hasn't been that bad. Now let's go over here and see what's going on. Let me just make that green. And I actually let's do all that now. And what I'm gonna do after that is my cash envelopes. But before I do this, I just want to keep an eye out and make sure. Oh, okay. I just want to go over here and see what's in the cash envelopes. What I will do as well is I'm just going to look over everything and see what I've kind of spent, you know. The food, I've spent 44, and I think I spent something else, but I did. I spent, can't remember when that was. Doesn't matter. I will write that down now in a second because I have it. Yeah, I have it noted there. Okay, so let's do this the way we roll. So my shopping, what do I have left in there? I kind of just leave the cents in there, guys. I don't really touch them. So my shopping, I have 15 euro left. And what I'm going to add to that is 60. So 20, 40, 50, 60. So I'll put that together. What's going in there is 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. So all I'm doing is I'm adding to it. Oh. Okay, business is going to be, I'm not looking at that yet. This is just for your benefit. Actually, for my benefit, it should be. The kids, they're going to get a $5. What do they have so far? I'll show you. Swear to God, my money, you'll see it going down. But I actually haven't really spent any money belonging to me as such. So that's 5, 10. $15. I think it's because their dad took them. I didn't have to really spend anything. Like, it wasn't a big deal. I am going to put, so that's the shopping, that's the kids. The household, yes, that's what I spent some stuff on. What did I spend? $4.50. I got baskets. Okay. So that was, they did the food shop. So that was the 5th of the 4th. House. Yes. $4.50. So I could see it there. I have $2.50 left. Could get that out now. Just gonna put another $5 in there this week. Self-care, I haven't even touched that. It's not very bad. And self-care, I want to give that I'm going to split this. I'm going to split this into, I need some change. So what am I going to do? This video is taking longer than I would have thought now. But it's all good. I take some money out of my kids. Give them a fiver. Why? I think I would have done that before I did the video, but it shows I like to keep it real around here. Okay, so self-care. I'm just going to give myself €6 there. And I need to get another envelope, so I will put my makeup money where my Christmas fund should be until I get another envelope. Jesus. Now, those are my cash envelopes for another week. And yeah, all I have to do now when I come around here, I'm just going to write the only thing that's new is the self-care. And the starting balance was 20. And I added 10. Although I've split it differently, it's just good. And I'm just going to leave it there. And that was the 8 of the 4th. Everything else, this was the 8 of the 4th. The only reason why I wrote different for all of these, for this, is because it was a different amount than what I usually write in it. But that's it really. Everything is good over here. All I'm just going to mark that's just the 8 of the 4th. I don't have to do anything else because I know that that's what's going in every single week. And all I have to worry about is if I took anything out, or if anything random happens, that's when I'd fill under there. But I'll probably just come back. If anything random happens here, I will just come back. Actually, I think something did happen in there. Yes, it did. Yeah, I'll fill that out. So let's go to birthdays. So birthdays, we know we had 1, 22, 50. So rare that I take anything out that I don't mind writing it here. But I'm just going to do this. Alright, birthdays. And I'm just going to say minus, should I take out a 36? Okay. And we just leave that there for now. And I'm going to write that was on the 2nd. Okay. And that's it for now. I'm going to go to the back. I just want to show you something. Where are we? Oh, that's all. I'm still waiting for the post office. I have all my bits and pieces there. So that's my Aldi. That's all my shopping so far since I've gotten the planner. But over here is what I pay per week. I kind of have, this is the regular deposit that I put into my bills account for the utility tracker. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You could just literally write, okay, I bear the roller and it's whatever a month, and write all your utilities there. But it's just for me to know that I can add up over the year. So next year that I know that I want to beat that, and my goal is to get it down to 18, but I don't know if that's going to happen. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. All right, so I hope that was helpful for you today. Just have a lovely day and make sure you're tracking. Tracking is the most important thing. It's something that I genuinely love doing. Okay, bye.